challenge for today. We don't have any place to hang our coats unless we do it in the closet. So when people come over, they have to put their coats on the floor. Well, that's no place to put a coat. So we'll get rid of these things. I'll come up with some kind of board. I'll put up some hooks, and we can hang our coats. So let's get on it. This here is oak, and then we'll put a red oak stain on it. See how that comes out. What you're looking at here is the Stanley stud finder. It's always good to know where the studs are, so when you drill into the wall, you've got a secure footing, especially if it's a coat rack that I'm building. You'd hate to have putting the coats on the hooks and everything falls down. That would be bad. So I'll show you how that happens. So you put your stud finder on the wall. It's got this red light, and it's going to let me know where there's a stud. Well, obviously there's one here. That's what the door's put into. I've got something going on here. So I mark there. There. So it's probably something flat going across some studs. Across. And I'm hitting another stud. There's the end of it. Know that I've got solid wood in these two places. And I'll measure that off from here onto the board that I'm making for the coat rack, drill pilot holes. And once it's all assembled, hopefully, I put the screw in there and it'll be secure on the wall. We'll see. Time to put a little polyurethane on. This will probably take 3 coats, as usual, but it'll look good. So here are the hooks that I'm going to put on. I got these at Lowe's. I'll spread them out on here, put them on, and then we'll mount this on the wall. All the hooks are on. Now comes the true test. Will it hold a coat and will it stay on the wall? Now it's time to install. And there it is, folks. This, I guess we should put a coat on it, just to see if it holds it, and it doesn't fall off the wall. Ta-da! Here you go. It's been fun.